Hi and welcome back to our channel. Getting an estimate for PCB components has always been a challenge. Most teams spend hours sending the files back and forth just to realize later that their file is either incomplete or the parts are not available. At PCB Power, we wanted to solve that. With our smart BOM management tool, PowerBOM, we have tried to solve this. And now it's even better, faster with upgraded features. Our new and improved PowerBOM just not automatically validates your BOM, it also gives you a live estimated price as your components are identified so you can plan your builds with total confidence. PowerBOM is PCB Power's exclusive tool that simplifies every stage of your BOM workflow from validation to estimated pricing and component management. It's now faster, more intuitive, and equipped with new features designed to save you time and reduce manual errors. Now, let me walk you through how exactly PowerBOM works. Just go to our website and log into your PCB Power account. Enter all the details of your PCB like PCB name, its technical specifications like thickness, material, and everything. Make sure you have entered all the details correctly, including number of components, your service type, either turnkey, consigned, or combo, and then scroll down to upload your files related to PCB, which is Gerber, pick and place, and then BOM file. Once you upload your BOM file, you will see PowerBOM opening up, and it will automatically detect the mandatory fields like MPN, quantity, and reference designator, and it validates them instantly. However, you should verify if your columns are mapped correctly at this stage. Here, it also flags duplicate MPNs, quantity mismatch, and empty cells so you can catch potential errors before they reach production. Once you have verified that all the columns are mapped correctly, just click on the Calculate button. As PowerBOM tool validates your BOM file, each component is categorized as identified or unidentified based on matches in the trusted databases like Mouser, DigiKey, and others. However, unidentified component does not mean that the MPN is wrong. It simply means that it did not match any database. Our team will review such MPNs and get back to you with its correct price. Next, review and refine your BOM effortlessly. You can mark DNP parts, edit remarks, and in combo service, you can toggle the supplied by column to assign whether a component will be sourced by you or PCB Power. Need an alternative? That is also possible with PowerBOM. Use Suggest to propose your own alternatives. You can click and add multiple alternate MPNs and submit. Use Find Alternatives to search compatible parts by value or description. Select one and it replaces your MPN instantly. As your components are identified, PowerBOM calculates and displays a live estimated price right on the screen. The total updates automatically as more parts are matched, giving you a realistic project cost within minutes. Now, when you think your BOM is ready, you can click on Submit. For turnkey and combo services, PowerBOM continues calculating the price in the background. You'll receive an email notification once the complete estimate is ready. The calculated price will reflect on the instant quote page. You can proceed further with your order once all components price has been added. For component sourcing, an inquiry will be placed. Our team will review and share a final quote with you. At this stage, you will only need to pay for fabrication and assembly order. PowerBOM works effortlessly across all services like turnkey, consigned, and combo. Each of them has a slightly different workflow and sourcing method. In our upcoming video, we'll walk you through how each service mode functions differently. With our improved and updated PowerBOM, you can validate, estimate, and finalize your BOM faster than ever. Visit our website today and try this powerful tool for yourself. Thank you.